Hello everyone, BSc third year, semester 5th, unit number 2, muscle physiology. Here the another aspect that is the neuromuscular junction. That is the neuromuscular junction and mechanism of contraction by sliding filament theory. We discuss here now the aspect. Neuromuscular junction NMJ in 1954 by Huxley and H.E. Huxley independently two overlapping set of filaments sliding past each other, thin filament of at each end circular move toward the center between the thick filament, a globular head of myosin cross piece with a actin monomer crisscross this theory. Here, here they show they discuss the in detail the neuromuscular junction. In neuromuscular junction, it is the junction between the nerve and muscles. That is the nerve cell and muscle. Junction between the nerve and muscles. When a nerve fiber approaches the muscle, it loses its myosin sheath and its branches innervate the sarcolemma of muscle fiber but do not merge with the muscle fiber membrane and thus form spatial structure. The neuromuscular junction, also called as motor end plate, also called as motor end, means nerve cell that innervate skeletal muscle tissue. That is a motor end plate. The invagination membrane of nerve fiber is called as pre-sympathetic membrane, while the membrane of muscle which is in contact with the end plate is called post-sympathetic membrane, which is highly folded structure. The gap between the pre and post is called as sympathetic cleft, called as sympathetic cleft, and which is always filled with the intracellular transmitter substance. The intracellular transmitter substance means that entire receive information, axon here transmitted information, neuromuscular side where the branch of motor neuron coming in contact with the sarcolemma of skeletal muscle fiber, a type of synapse. Axillary synaptic cleft, sarcolemma, T-tubules, neurotransmitter release diffuses across the synaptic cleft and attached to ACH receptor on the sarcolemma. Here the action of potential generated produced along the sarcolemma. Action of potential triggered calcium release. इथून calcium release हो राहिलं endoglobin. कॅल्शियम रिलीज झाल्यावर कॅल्शियम आयन बाइंड होतात कुणाला ट्रोपोनिन, म्हणजे ट्रोपोनिन चेंजेस दी शेप, रिमूव्ह ब्लॉकिंग ऍक्शन, ट्रोपोमायसिन ऍक्टिव्ह अँड ऍक्टिव्ह साइट एक्सपोज्ड, इथं एक्सपोज होऊन जातात. इथं कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन होते मायोसिन आणि क्रॉस ब्रिज हे टेक्स्ट अल्टरनेट अटॅचमेंट, म्हणजे क्रॉस ब्रिज किंवा हेड रिजन आहे अटॅच होऊन जाईल. The pulling the actin filament toward the center of the circle energy by the ATP hydrolysis. Then calcium ion, then remove calcium ion by active transport into the smooth reticulum after the action of potential. Then tropomyosin blockage, the restore blockage acting active site, that is the contraction ends and muscular fiber relaxes here. This diagram show the neuromuscular junction. Motor end plate sarcolemma. Muscular fiber directly bent to motor nerve ending contain and indent of mitochondrial nuclei. Between axonal end of one neuron and the dendron of the another neuron or membrane of another types. What is the cleft? Synaptic cleft means the exit between the axonal ending of the motor nerve and the sarcolemma of the muscle cell fiber. The axon ending contain the vesicle of neurotransmitter. The chemical substances that released from the vesicle in the motor nerve Acetylcholine is the neurotransmitter released by the motor neuron when stimulated by nerve impulses. Acetylcholine is released and travel across the synaptic cleft and bind receptor on the motor end plate. Stimulate contraction. Stimulate contraction is all about the neuromuscular junction. Is here the when a motor impulsion from the nerve is received on the end plate local depolarization occurs there and reaches the sarcolemma with the secretion of acetylcholine resulting in the excitation of the muscle fiber. It is all about the neuromuscular junction. Then the mechanism of contraction of slide theory. Rest unchanged ATP cross bridge complex. That is that. Excitation coupling means charge ATP cross bridge complex. Turn on. Contraction means uh, actinomycin, ATP, ADP, and energy. Recharging, release a cross bridge with ATP. Relaxation, cross bridge, turn off. Sliding filament model of contraction. Here the thin filament slide past the thick one so that the actin and myosin filament overlap to a great degree. In the relaxed state, thin and thick filament overlap only slightly. Upon stimulation, myosin heads bind to actin and sliding begin. Role of calcium for the muscle contraction, it promotes calcium here, it promotes the neurotransmitter. Calcium here from neurotransmitter. Trigger the calcium release from smooth. Trigger sliding of myofilaments and ATP activity. Promote glycogen breakdown and ATP synthesis. The sliding theory or sliding filament theory here. In short, a myofiber together with the all of myofibrils shortened by the movements of the insertion toward the origin of the muscles. The shortened myofibril is shortening of the sarcomere caused by caused by the distance between the Z lines is reduced. Shortening of the sarcomere is accompanied by each filament remains the same during the contraction. Sliding is produced by power stroke of myosin cross bridges which pull the thin actin over the thick myosin. The A band remain the same length during the contraction but pulled origin of muscle. Adjust a band pulled close together by the I band between the shorter. The H band shortened during the contraction as thin filament on the side of the sarcomeres. It is a major event of muscle contraction. The distal end of the motor nerve release acetylcholine. Okay, acetylcholine diffuses across the gap the neuromuscular junction. The sarcomere is stimulated and the muscle impulses travel over the surface of the muscle fiber and dip into the fiber through the transverse tubules and release the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Calcium ion diffuse करते sarcoplasmic reticulum into the sarcoplasm bind to the troponin molecules. This actin with troponin, tropomyosin, myosin head, plain tropomyosin, myosin binding, troponin complex, myosin binding, myosin head. Here addition of calcium ion here. Myosin head is a muscle contraction is the role of calcium. Okay. Sliding actin filament over myosin. Here myosin cross bridge attached to the actin filaments. Okay. Here to working stroke myosin head private and it pulls the actin filament sliding toward the M line. Uh, as a new ATP attached to the myosin head cross the digits new ATP is new ATP attached here. As the ATP is split into the ADP and PI, the ATP is split into ADP and PI, proking myosin head occurs, the thin filaments, ATP hydrolysis between ATP. This is all about the sliding of actin filament over myosin. is a then measure of event of muscle relaxation. Okay, upon by the contraction by relaxation. Acetylcholine decomposes acetylcholine stress decomposes acetylcholine and the muscle fiber membrane is no longer stimulated. Calcium ion are actively transferred into the sarcolemma reticulum and ATP causes linkage between the actin and myosin filament to break the crossfeed bridge, reopen the troponin and tropomyosin molecule inhibit the interaction between the myosin and actin filament. Muscle fiber remain relaxed. It read until the stimulate again. These show that this figure ATP is show that ATP split. Okay, this is all about the small intestine. Is all about the filament sliding theory. Here we discuss in detail the muscle contraction in and muscle relaxation. Okay, then these sequences of the event are as follows: nerve impulses, then depolarization of sarcoplasmic reticulum, then release of calcium ion, then nerve the calcium ion from the sarcoplasmic reticulum, then troponin, that is the conformational change. Then tropomyosin move out by normal position. Then actin and myosin, that is the cross bridges. And then ectomyosin and converted the occurs. This is all about the contraction, then relaxation events. The here the calcium pumped back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Then myosin ATP activity is depressed or the cross bridge broken. The myosin is pulled back into its resting site, then tension or we can say that the contraction disappear here and relaxation occurs. It's all about the sliding planet theory.